Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a quick demonstration of my project Automodel.AI. So, as we all know that how generative AI is bringing changes in the corporate rapidly about how they manage data science tasks in their day-to-day lives, and there is a huge demand in integrating generative AI solutions and in the applications for various data-related tasks. So, in this project, we will perform data cleaning, analysis, and build a machine learning model for the data in just few clicks. We will use autogen for making use of the power of agentic AI, where we will have a code writer agent and a code executor agent talking to each other to perform a particular task. We will use autogluon library to automate the process of building machine learning models and perform the evaluation. And then lastly, we will pass on the results to the LLM, which will assess the results, and the data will tell us if the model is performing well or not, and what else could have been done. So without any delay, let's carry on this process. So we will click on get started, and here you can see this is the dashboard structure, and you just have to select your data. So like we will select this data set, and it will appear here, and then in the next click I will clean the data set. As you can see, there are some unclean labels like kilometers and price. So what the AI prompt will do, it will convert them to pure integers. I would like to show you the code itself. Let me show you the code here. In the clean view, I'm using Django to prepare this. In the clean view, you can see that we will load the data with pandas, show data dot head first, and then remove exact duplicate rows. This all will be carried out with the LM. And the large language model we will be using is llama 3, 70 billion weights, and we will use it with the help of grok API keys. So we will be configuring them related to our task usage and the related temperature. We will keep the temperature low so that it is very strict in nature and will follow the uh, task only. So let's quickly jump on there, and I will clean the data. So in the behind process, what is happening, as you can see that the data is now cleaned. What is happening, there are two agents, the code writer agent and the code executor agent. The code executor agent will pass on the data set to the code writer agent and will ask him that to clean the data set, and the code writer agent will write a code in Python to to execute the following process, and the executor will be then executing the process. So in the next step, we will analyze the data. So as you can see in the data analysis task, we will have this prompt: strictly analyze clean data.csv. So what we wrote here, that only save clean data as clean data.csv, will further pass on this data set, this clean data set only, to the model to analyze this. Let's analyze our data set. So as you can see, the model has done some quick analysis and some visualizations, which you can see about the numeric visualizations showing the outliers and different visuals like histogram of engine capacity, histogram of kilometers run, and the count. So based on the data, it will analyze and will fetch up all the results. And the last process is the build model. So it will take some time, about 2 minutes, to build a model using autogluon library, which automatically makes a machine learning model and trains it on various models and evaluates their performance. So we will build a model, While it's taking time, I would like to go through the project. As you can see, in the last step, we will make a machine learning model, and when the results will be there, the results will be passed on to the model itself. And using generative AI, we can write your performance about them. Is the model good or bad? As you can see, it is all written here. So just wait for a while. In the background processes, I wanted to show you that how the code executor agent and how the code writer agent worked along all the way. Here you can see the code execution blocks and code writing blocks. So all this was done with the AI. And also in agentic AI, we can apply tools which are hard coded classes. We can pass on them to the LLMs, which can which can be used to perform some similar related tasks, just to just to make the models more efficient. And let me check on the backend if it's running. Still fitting some models. So all these models were fitted, and let's see if this library has accurately identified the problem type or not. See, autogluon infers your prediction problem is regression because the d type of label column was integer. So it also automatically classified it as regression. Okay, we have the output. So here is the analysis, here is the assessment. Based on the provided evaluation results, I would say that the model is performing relatively well. And here are the reasons, and here are the leaderboard of the model. So as you can see, neural net torch, this model is performing well, quite well. And will and in the main evaluation results, we can see root mean square error of this. The R2 score is close to 1. So it's a decent but not a great model, I will say. But it has given us enough reasons so we can make it excellent. So yeah, that was our project. Thank you very much.